By the end of the video, we will know about HIIT Cardio for weight loss. Shed pounds with intense workouts. Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey and shed pounds efficiently? High-intensity interval training HIIT Cardio workouts offer a potent solution. By alternating between short bursts of high-intensity exercise and brief recovery periods, HIIT elevates your heart rate, ramps up calorie burn, and accelerates fat loss. Follow this guide to harness the power of HIIT Cardio and achieve your weight loss goals. 1. Choose your exercise. Select a combination of high-intensity exercises that engage large muscle groups and elevate your heart rate. Examples include jumping jacks, burpees, high knees, mountain climbers, jump squats, sprint intervals running, cycling, or on a stationary bike. 2. Set your intervals. Structure a HIIT workout with intervals of intense exercise followed by short rest periods. A typical HIIT interval might consist of work phase, 20 to 60 seconds of maximum effort, rest phase, 10 to 30 seconds of active recovery or complete rest. 3. Design your workout. Create a HIIT cardio circuit by combining 5 to 8 different exercises. Perform each exercise for the designated work interval, followed by the rest interval. Aim to complete 3 to 5 rounds of the circuit, depending on your fitness level and available time. 4. Push yourself during work intervals. Give it your all and push yourself to your limits. The key to HIIT is to work at maximum intensity, challenging both your cardiovascular system and your muscles. Focus on quality over quantity, aiming to perform each exercise with proper form and maximum effort. 5. Stay safe. Listen to your body and modify exercises as needed to suit your fitness level and avoid injury. If you're new to HIIT or have any underlying health concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise regimen. 6. Track your progress. Monitor your progress over time by tracking metrics such as workout duration, intensity, and the number of rounds completed. Keep a record of your workouts to assess your improvements and stay motivated on your weight loss journey. 7. Stay consistent to see results. Consistency is key. Aim to incorporate HIIT cardio workouts into your routine 2 to 4 times per week. Consistent effort over time will yield significant improvements in fitness and help you achieve your weight loss goals. 8. Combine with healthy habits. While HIIT cardio is an effective tool for weight loss, it's essential to pair it with other healthy habits such as a balanced diet, adequate hydration, and sufficient rest. By adopting a holistic approach to health and wellness, you'll maximize your results and sustain long-term success. By incorporating HIIT cardio into your fitness regimen, you can